everyone, welcome to our galaxy. Look, here is the sun and 8 colorful planets.
The robot is a space X planet. It travels on seas made to visit the planet. But watch out. There are comets and black holes.
This yellow thing gives energy. Zoom! The robot goes faster. But if it touches a comet, oh no, it goes back. We use these cards to give the robot directions. Forward, turn left, turn right, like a video game. We love space, we love robots, and we love coding. Thank you.